Hi there, my name is Roger Green. I'm the director of the Academy Healing Nutrition. Our curriculum is 35 years old and it's based on food as medicine. So in our curriculum, we teach our students how to be their own doctor. So there's plenty of theory, philosophies, and practical cooking classes involving Chinese medicine, food energetics, cutting-edge Western nutritional theories, and tonic herbs and superfoods. So it's an incredible curriculum, very experiential. You get to know how the foods start to relate to your inner landscape. You get to know how to eat with the seasons, how to eat with your constitutional tendencies. So we cover both what we call preventative medicine and also curative. So the main theme here is the longevity diet. And the longevity diet draws on a few theories and philosophies that are time-tested, for instance, traditional Chinese medicine and cultures of longevity. So we've got an exciting program, a very experienced faculty, so we hope you check out our website, londonahn.com.